This is the Medix 5.5 set, vitamin C plus turmeric, and the retinol ferulic acid. The vitamin C I usually wear during the day, and the retinol I usually put on in the evening. It's a great set to have. Very easy to open tops. The skin on my legs particularly is very dry and prone to eczema, so they can be very sensitive to irritating products. This product does not irritate my skin, and it leaves a visible difference. It looks nourished and healthy. You can control how much of the product comes out of the pump by how much pressure, but if you just use a full pump, you can typically cover both of your legs and thighs with one pump. If you're interested in the ingredients of each bottle, go ahead and press pause at the end of the video.